Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by acting now. Log into your AdSense account and open the verification panel. Enter the exact payment profile details, name, address, and any tax ID, because mismatches delay PIN or payment verification. Once done, choose your verification method, PIN mailed or bank account microdeposit where available. Make sure your site shows active content and a privacy policy, since AdSense will check policy compliance before sending verification. This first step prevents predictable delays and starts the timer for PIN arrival. Once your payment profile is set, proceed with the middle steps. Request the PIN to be mailed and watch the delivery window, or opt for bank micro-deposit verification and monitor your transactions. If AdSense prompts for an identity document, upload a clear government-issued ID and the exact name matching your payment profile. This speeds approval. Also confirm address formatting, since international mail can return. Make sure to check the AdSense messages for required file formats and respond promptly to any additional documentation requests to avoid holdups. To finish, enter the PIN exactly as mailed or the 2 microdeposit amounts into AdSense. Once verified, your payment hold lifts and ads will start serving. Make sure to test a live page and inspect ad units. If ads don't appear, clear caches and confirm ad code placement. If verification fails or you never received a PIN, re-request it after the waiting period and gather proof, screenshots or bank statements, before contacting support. One key troubleshooting tip: re-requesting too quickly can create duplicate mails, so wait the advised window.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.